All right, so let's see if we can utilize some of the definitions that we've learned so far and apply them. So go ahead and pause the video and see how you do. Okay, so one of the things that I like to do when I have a description and it's not too terribly painful to list the elements of a set is I like to go ahead and list those elements. I guess I'm more of a visual person that way. So with the set A, it says it's the set of all single digit numbers. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now generally people have a tendency to forget the 0 there. So when you see that description, which is going to come up a lot in our probability unit, make sure you understand this at 0 through 9. So 0 is the element of A. B, they're asking if it's a proper subset of A. 4 is there, 6 is there, 8 is in all of those elements are in set A and they're not equal, so yes. And then they ask on C, is B a proper subset of set C? Well, yes, because you'll notice that 4, 6, and 8, all those elements are found in set C, and B and C are not equal to each other, so yes, it's a proper subset. On D, it asked if B is a proper subset of D. Well, that's going to be a no because B is not even a subset of D. If you'll notice that element 4 is not in set D. Now, if they'd asked that the other way around, if D was a proper subset of B, that would be okay. All right, on E, they asked if the empty set was an element of set B. Now, if they had said a subset or proper subset, we'd be okay, but they're asking if that symbol is an element or is that listed in set B, and no, it's not. They're asking if C is a subset of itself. Yes, every set is a subset of itself. But they're asking if the set with elements 10, 8, 6, and 4 is a proper subset of set C. No, because you'll notice 10 is in set C, so is 8, 6, and 4. It looks like those sets are equal to each other. They're equal sets. They have exactly the same element there, so no. And then they're asking if set C is a subset of B. No, because 10 is not found in set B. They're next on I, they're asking if sets B and E are equal. Let me see. They both have 4, 6, and 8. So, yes. They're asking if E is a proper subset of B. Well, that's a no because we just got through saying that they were equal. Okay, we're asking if the empty set is a subset of set C. Yes, it is. The empty set is in this case, is a proper subset of every set except for itself. So that's a yes. Because what I've just said, L is no, because the empty set cannot be a proper subset of itself, because otherwise they'd be equal. Is 10 an element of A? Well, no, it's not a single digit number. Is A a subset of D? No, if we had that the other way around, we could say D is a subset of A, but A is not a subset of D. All right, the empty set, is that a subset of set B? Yes, it is. Is D a proper subset of set A? Yes, because they're not equal, and 6 and 8 are both found in set A. Then they asked if D is a subset of C. Well, let's see. 6 and 8 are in set C, so that's a yes. And then lastly on R, they asked if D, the letter D, is an element of A. Now, they didn't ask about subsets. They're asking about an element. So do you see the letter D listed in that set? No. Is D a single digit number? No. So that's why we say no.